We will draw 3 random lines and then create a whole drawing out of it. You will need 2 sheets of paper and 2 colorful markers. Take first sheet of your paper and split it into 2 equal parts. The cut line doesn't need to be perfectly straight, but you can also use scissors if that's easier for you. Do the same with the second one, and now we have 4 sheets of paper. Take one and draw 3 random lines with your colorful marker. They can be all straight, they can cross, they can be all curvy, it's all up to you. Now take your other sheet of paper and trace over these 3 lines. Repeat the same 3 lines on other 2 sheets using the same marker. So you'll end up with 4 equal 3 lines drawing. Use thin paper and dark marker to make it easier for you to trace these lines. Use a window tracing instead if you still can't see your lines. Take one and try to come up with a drawing that will include these lines. It can be a face, a landscape, an animal, whatever you can see in it. Rotate your paper and draw something with your second marker using these lines as your starting point. First image I see is a landscape with mountains. So I continue my line, creating an outline of mountains, and I do the same one with my second line. Then I draw a road, add another one on the foreground, and I add a house. Out of the circle I made a sun and finished my landscape, adding 2 clouds. Take another paper and rotate it until you can see an image that you can draw using these 3 lines. From this angle, I can see an open mouth. I complete the zigzag line, drawing teeth and the mouth line, and repeat the same on the bottom. The straight line looks like a part of a carrot, and the circle looks like a cherry. Now I just need to finish my face, and the drawing is done. Take your third piece of paper and repeat the process. If you want a bigger challenge, try to find 4 different images, placing your paper at 4 different angles. From this angle, I can see my zigzag line being a part of a pointy leaf. Then I draw a flower and keep adding leaves to fill in my paper. And now our third drawing is ready. Put it aside and take your last sheet of paper. One by one, place your finished drawings next to it to see what you've already drawn, as well as which angles you already used, and find the one that is left. Here, I see a circle being an eye of an angry fish. I draw the fish, make a seaweed out of my zigzag line, and complete the drawing, adding other elements to fill in my paper. And that's it. Our creative exercise is done. Here are 4 different drawings that started from the same 3 lines. It's a great exercise to activate your imagination. Make it more challenging by using more complex lines, as well as repeating them on more than 4 sheets of paper. Have fun and let me know if you tried doing this exercise.